people always say, you know how you tell somebody like, hey, I'm about to do this for myself, and they're like, oh, you don't need that. I'm doing this. So I know it's like, oh, your skin's not that bad. It could be worse. That whole it could be worse is what I'm trying to prevent. So
The Motherland plug.
hello, I've been gone. I know I've just been going on YouTube. I'm living a whole life on Instagram. So if you miss me and you haven't seen me, that's because you don't follow me on Instagram. Okay, today we're talking about skincare. I am starting Accutane on December 23rd and I am hyped. I've been struggling with acne since I was in, I want to say around, definitely around high school is when it started to start up. I used to get pimples on my nose. That was embarrassing. Got to college. Acne wasn't that bad in college though. But when I left college, it hit the fan. I mean, I was broke. I had pimples all over here. I was wearing makeup to cover it. I was stressed. I was trying these natural things. I changed my diet and still nothing. So then I went to a dermatologist after I had Ali. He's back there sleeping, so you may hear some snoring. After I had Ali, I went to a dermatologist and I just wanted to do something for myself. I was ready to get my skin together. So she's like, oh, you know, you should do Accutane. I tried acne.org. I tried Proactive. I tried, you know, changing diet, like I said, like all these things. And she's like, none of this has worked for you. I think it's time for you to try Accutane. However, you're breastfeeding, so you can't do it right now. So I'm like, oh, all right. So she gave me this, whatever this is, right? I was taking that and it was working in the beginning like most things, but then it's like my body got used to it and it was like, bam, here's acne. She left the practice. I got a new dermatologist. I'm trying to give y'all the quick history here. I got a new dermatologist. She decided to up the dosage. We tried that and you only see them like every 4 months. So 4 months went by, no improvement, and I told her, hey, the doctor before you, she was ready to put me on Accutane. I'm done breastfeeding. She's like, okay, let's do it. I went in. You got to do mad stuff for Accutane. If you don't know about Accutane, you probably are not in the stressful acne lifestyle. Because I'm starting Accutane, you have to have all these products that are hydrating and like doesn't have all these harsh chemicals. Has to be very calming for the skin, because your skin is I'm about to be dry and my lips is probably going to be cracked and crusty, and I don't play that. I'm going to show y'all what I got. I usually have super oily skin, so everything that was in my skincare routine was like to suck the oil out the skin. Like my skin needed to be, but I needed all new products, so I had to get a whole bunch of hydrating stuff. I'm going to show you what I got. So, face wash. Here we go. This is a hydrating facial cleanser. I've already started my routine because they say it takes 21 days to create a habit. And I wanted to go into this already kind of like in habit mode. Like, okay, I do this, then that, then this, then that. So I already started using these products and I like them. So hydrating facial cleanser. And then I actually just got this. This is a hydrating facial oil. You cannot see, I'll put a little picture. Hydrating facial oil. It has rosehip oil and vitamin E. This was only $5 at Marshall's. I read the ingredients. It sounded good. And then I have this moisturizing cream. This is my first time trying this and it's cool. And then I got this is actually double repair face moisturizer with UV protection. So we need some type of sunscreen. We should be wearing sunscreen. Like, we got to stop with this whole we got melanin, we don't need sunscreen, because we're going to pay for that when we get older. So I wanted to get black girl sunscreen, but there wasn't really any reviews about people using it with Accutane, and I wasn't sure. So I went with, like, you know, about to be on a drug, so I wanted to go with what had reviews and like what was recommended. So I got this. I actually like this. I'm not mad at this sunscreen. It does not leave a, well, it's not a sunscreen. It's a face moisturizer with SPF. So it's like an extra layer on top of this moisturizing cream. I'm telling you, I'm going to be hydrated. I'm going to try. And then, so that's my normal morning, night routine. But then I got these other products that I haven't tried yet. So people swear by Aquaphor. I have never used Aquaphor until I found out I was going on Accutane. So I got this huge tub, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't like this product. It reminds me, it feels like I'm slapping Vaseline on my body, and I don't like that. But I may need it. And then the one thing I'm trying to avoid is cracked and crusty lips. Not thank goodness, but right now we're in a time when you're wearing masks when you're outside. So you know, if my lips are looking rough, my cheeks are looking rough, because that's where my acne area is, I can cover it up. But for the most part, I want my lips to be hydrated. But this is what I've been hooked on. Pure Lanolin. Now this stuff, I learned about Lanolin when I was breastfeeding, because it's like good for nipples, for nipple cream when your nipples are chapped. So if it's good for chapped nipples, you know it's got to be good for chapped lips. So I've been carrying this around in my purse and using it, and I am in love with this one product. And this one product costs like $9 on Amazon for all of this. And what I did was I bought these little lip gloss tubes from Amazon that I'm gonna put like travel size amounts in, so I can be, when I'm out, I'll keep some moisturizer on me, I will keep a little face wash on me in these little tubes. I'm excited about that, and I'm gonna show y'all what lip products I bought, but I feel like that's gonna be a longer discussion, so I'm gonna save that for like the next video. But yeah, I'm starting Accutane. Y'all, the next one. Peace.
The Motherland. Plug.